Hello guys, welcome to another video. This one is a requested question of paper 1-2 of 2017, question 25. So let's do that. So here we have, in the diagram, the line meets the axis at A and B. This is the line, 3y plus 2x equal to 13. It makes the axis at A, the y-axis at A, and the x-axis at B. Okay, that's the first thing given to us. Now part 1 is find the coordinates of A. A is right here. So A is where this line meets the y-axis. So you would say at y-axis, we know that the value of x is 0. Replace 0 in this equation. So 3y plus 0 equal to 13. So this brings you to y equal to 13 over 3. If you were to simplify this, that will become 1 over 3. So the point A is 0 and 1 over 3. Now the next step is the region that is shaded R. So in the question, this is the shaded region R is defined by 5 inequalities. 2 of these are this one is x is less or equal to 6, which is this line. Okay, and then y is less or equal to 6, which is the top line. Next thing we have to write the other 3 inequalities. Okay, so we have this one. As you can see, we have this one, which is on the right of this line, which is x is more or equal to 1. The next one, we have this line. It is y is more than or equal to this line. This is y. And finally, we have this line, right? It has to be on top of this line, so that will be this equation. So let's write this down as 3y plus 2x is more or equal to 3. Okay, and that's it for question part B. Now for this one, is pretty interesting. I think it can be confusing sometime. So the point P is in the shaded region R. So the point P is somewhere in here, right? So we don't know where it is. But the question is, given that AP from the point A to P is as large as possible, write down the coordinates of P. So whenever you see write down, it means that it should be pretty easy, and it also gives you 1 mark, so it should not be that hard. But definitely in math, you should not guess your answer. You should always look at your graph and see where is the point can be. So to find the largest distance, it can always it has to be at the extreme points of the region R. So from the point A, and P has to be at the extreme point. So extreme point is here, 1 point here, extreme points, and extreme points. Now from observation, you would say, okay, this is too close, so it will not be good. This is kind of close, it will not be good. So we remain with this and this point. Now from this point A, which one is the largest? So one thing we can do is we can just measure. Let's say this is A. So what is the distance from A to this point? So let's draw a line, a straight line. So here we have. So A coming to this is 6 units, right? 6. And what is this distance? From this point to this point, you would say this is 4 1/3. Coming here, this will be what? So 6 minus this. So 6 minus 4 1/3. That should be 1 2/3. So this height is 1 2/3. How about this one? This one is 4 1/3. This is 2. So 4 1/3 minus 2. That should be 2 2/3. So 2 1/3. So this is 2 1/3. Now by observation, which point is further away? You can see that since this distance is more than this, you would say, okay, this point will be the furthest away. So this is one way of doing this question. So in that case, you can just draw this line and compare the distances and see which one is the further away. So in that case, you conclude that this one is further away from this one. So in that case, this distance AP will be the largest one. That is one way of doing this. And then the other way you can do is pretty easy as well. We know the point A, so we know the point A is given to you by this 0, 4 and 1/3. Now we can choose this or this, right? So let's say point P is this one, so this one is 6, 6, or it can be 6, 2. So to find distance, as you guys know already, we use the formula, which is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So you try for each point in this formula, you can find which one has the maximum value, which one has the larger value, and in that case you can just compare the two values and you will know which one is higher. So in that case, as you can see, it should be pretty easy. It is just only 1 mark, so it's not hard. You can just measure the distance and then compare, or you can use the formula to see which one of those 2 points will give you the max value for AP. Okay, so that was question number 25. I hope that was somewhat helpful. As always, if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments. I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. And let me write down this answer. This is 6, 2, and as always, thank you for watching. I will see you soon.